Number 350 to 500 grams 4-head powder filling line, including unscramble, filling, capping, foil sealing, label, inkjet printer, collect table. 50L twin sus 304 side open hopper, easy to clean. Servo motor drive screw, get better accuracy. Fast change screw for different weight. The worker puts the bottle on the can unscrambler. Then it works transfer bottle to belt conveyor. Bottle comes to the 4-head filling, one-time filling 4 bottle, make speed fast. After filling bottle comes to the capping machine, capping. After capping then foil sealing, then label the bottle. Finally thin head product comes to the collect table. Worker can put it in carton, then can be automatically or manually palletized and wrapped for delivery.